Hey guys, welcome back to the detailing space. Today we're looking at a few new products from our friends over at WakeMe Detailing. It was about this time last year we did a massive unboxing on this entire range, and now they've got a few new products that they've kindly sent over. So we'll dive straight into this then. So the first one that they've sent us, and once again, going from last year's video, the names of these products just make me chuckle. Called Footballers, plural. It's a tyre cleaner, so it's nice to see that they've added this to the range. We're seeing a lot more dedicated tyre cleaners. Hopefully a little less aggressive than an all-purpose cleaner. It's just a product ready to go. So this is ideal for using maybe once a month, once a fortnight at the most. You don't want to damage your tyres, but you also want your tyres to be as clean as possible before you apply any tyre dressing. With that as well, included when you buy the tyre cleaner, is this lovely little detailing brush. So it's a lot smaller than some other form factors, but I do always feel like I'm going to damage something. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. Also, the bristles feel a tad softer than those more generic ones with the white, really stiff bristles. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that out as well. The other product they've sent me then is one called Major Tom. It's another astronaut themed one. A lot of their products have got like missile and astronaut, and I think one's called Meteor. They've got all sorts of weird names. And this is a spray sealant. At first I thought this was something you apply through a foam cannon, but no, this is an actual spray sealant. And I've got the trigger just here as well. And the trigger feels really, really heavy duty, just like the last lot of triggers that we had. And they've also got a directional fan spray that comes out as well, which is really cool on some of the products. So yeah, just apply this to each panel. Wipe it in, so to speak. You wipe it across the panel, flip your cloth over, buff it to a dry finish. We'll be trying these out in the next couple of weeks. I'm gonna get these out of the way for the time being. And then the other product they've sent me, a little bit too late, it arrived about a week or two after Christmas, is a Christmas wash mitt. Unfortunately, as fun as these look, I don't wear mitts, even the regular mitts, I just don't wear them. So I just try and use them like that, although it's a bit difficult for me. But I do like that they're adding a little bit of fun into your wash cycle, yeah, with these little palm mitts. Some of you guys will use these, and if you've got two, makes it a lot easier. But because I'm usually lugging a camera around, I can't be taking these on and off, drying my hands and moving a camera. But thanks very much for those anyway, really fun. The other major product, and I believe UK prices is £135, is a detailing bag. Now I've had a quick look at this. You've got some rugged side pockets here, some mesh pockets on either end. These side pockets here, so I've got another wash mitt here. I'll put that in, by the way, it didn't come in the bag. You've got a couple of pockets for polishers. Again, you've got a mesh part just here. You've also got quite a cool thing as well with another zip on the outside. You can expand this pocket out. So if you do put bottle products in here, if we take this zip, fasten the main part back up. If we take this outer zip all the way around, you can pull that out and it'll accommodate obviously larger bottles of polish that you may want to put in the side. We've got the same on the other side as well. That is just one big pocket on this side, so you could put your, what are these? These are the anti-air missile system. These are the detailing brushes. Pretty fun. Again, crazy names. You can put them in there. You can put microfiber cloths in there. And once again, you've got a mesh pocket just here. So they're pretty cool. And then inside, one feature I do like with the inside as well, Velcro, plenty of space. We've got a shoulder strap if you wish to use a shoulder strap, and I have managed to fit in here with space still 13 bottles of product. So we just tip that out, you can see. So on this side here, this part, I put some of my most commonly used products in here. So we've got shampoos, what's that, an all-purpose cleaner, that's a fallout remover, I know I've got a tar remover and a quick detailer. So you can pull that part out. So if that was your wash bag, you can pull that section out. Also as well, with this, you've got these dividers. So if any of you are into photography or making videos, you've got camera bags, you've got these Velcro dividers. So you can rearrange them if you wish to suit the products that you're using. Again, you've got a larger divider in here. Again, you can remove that and adjust as you see fit. And I've got 7 bottles in there. I can fit more in that half as well. It's also like plastic lined as well, so if you do get it wet or anything, you're going to be able to soak up, rather than the bag soaking up any of the product like may get spilled or drips and leaks in there. You can just get some shop towel, some blue paper towel, whatever it is, and clean the inside of that bag out, stop any mold and nasty smells accumulating in there. So yeah, that's it. As I say, it's literally just a quick first look. I'm trying to get back into the regular videos now. It's been a bit quiet over the Christmas period. Also, before we wrap this video up as well, in case you didn't know, I have done a detailing documentary on the history of detailing. Make sure you go and check that out after this video. I will warn you now though, it is a little over an hour long, but it's got the legends like Mike Phillips in there, you've got Jim White, Pan the Organizer, John Hall, and many more covering the full history of detailing from the 50s and 60s, how we started to how we got to the present day with all of these brands such as WakeMe Detailing, Turtle Wax, and many more. And also how we got to ceramics and what is the future. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to smash that like button. Also, I'll put an icon just up here where you can subscribe to now, and a couple of videos down below that we think you'll enjoy. And we'll see you in the next video.